In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly add a privacy policy page to your Wix website, ensuring that your website's privacy policy is both accessible and comprehensible is not just a legal necessity, but it can also help to build trust with your visitors. So, let's dive into the step-by-step process of integrating this essential feature using the Wix Editor or Studio. First things first, open up your preferred web browser, ideally Chrome, and log into your Wix account. Navigate to the website project you're currently working on. This will be your starting point for adding in that essential privacy policy page. Having your project open and ready sets the stage for a smooth process as we go through each step together. Now, with your site pulled up, we're going to create a brand new page specifically for your privacy policy. So head over to Menus and Pages, which is your main control panel for adding new content to your site. Once you're there, you'll see an option to plus add page. Go ahead and click on that. Name this new page Privacy Policy to keep everything straightforward and easily identifiable. Naming conventions can be particularly important for both SEO purposes and ease of navigation for your visitors. With the new page created, it's time to populate it with content. Wix makes this part incredibly easy by offering a built-in privacy policy template. Feel free to utilize this, or if you already have your own privacy policy text prepared, you can simply copy and paste it into the new page. Whichever method you choose, make sure to format the text for readability. This means adding headings, subheadings, and different sections as necessary. The objective here is clarity, so your visitors can quickly find what they're looking for. Once the content is set, you want people to be able to find it easily. The most common place to link a privacy policy is in the footer of your site. Navigate to your site's footer section, which is typically at the bottom of the editor interface. Here, you'll add a text or button element and label it Privacy Policy. Now link it to the privacy policy page you just created. This step ensures that no matter where your visitors are on your site, they can effortlessly access this crucial information. Finally, with everything in place, it's time to go live. Before you hit publish, double check your work to ensure all changes are saved. When you're ready, hit publish. This will make your new privacy policy page live on the internet, so your visitors can access it immediately. And there you have it. You've now successfully added a privacy policy page to your Wix website. This simple process not only keeps you aligned with legal standards, but also enhances the professional image of your site. Thanks for following along, and be sure to check out our other tutorials